Now see this question. If A upon B is equal to B upon C equal to C upon D equal to D upon E equal to E upon F equal to 1 upon 3. Then find A plus B plus C plus D plus E, A plus B plus C plus D plus E over B plus C plus D plus E plus F. So in concept classes, if A upon B equal to C upon D equal to E upon F is equal to K, then K is A plus C plus E upon B plus D plus F. So same concept you can apply here. Means A plus B plus C plus D plus E upon B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 1 by 3. की जगह क्या लिखा हुआ है 1/3 कांस्टेंट है. दिस इज योर आंसर. तो इट इज अ डायरेक्ट बेस्ड ऑन कंसेप्ट. If A upon B plus C equal to B upon C plus A equal to C upon A plus B and A plus B plus C is not equal to 0, then the value of B upon A plus B plus C. Let A upon B plus C is equal to B upon C plus A is equal to this equal to C upon A plus B. This equal to K. Then in concept class, K will be equal to sum of numerator A plus B plus C over sum of denominator. So 2A, 2B, 2C this way. Now you can write this 2K A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So now you can say this A plus B plus C 2K minus 1 equal to G. So now in this factor left hand side, product of these two factors, right hand side equal to 0. But here A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. A plus B plus C is not equal to 0 given it. So it ensures if this is not equal to 0, then 2K minus 1 must be equal to 0. So in this condition, K is going to equal 1 by 2. So this K is equal to 1 by 2 you calculated. Now you have to find the value of B upon A plus B plus C. B upon A plus B plus C. So how will you find this? Look here, B upon C plus A. B upon C plus A is equal to K. Any doubt? And K we calculated equal to 1 by 2. So I can take this as equal to 1 by 2. And now if I inverse it, then this is C plus A upon B is equal to 2. And now add 1 both sides. Now this is B plus C plus A upon B is equal to 3. So for this, again inverse it. B upon A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 3. So this is your answer. Okay. This is good question. Here A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. So A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. Then here this is equal to 1 by 2 you calculated. Okay. This question is over, but I'm giving you some more important information here for this question. Like one case you calculated. If इसको ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोग. if a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, then k की वैल्यू अभी हम लोगों ने क्या निकाली 1/. if a plus b plus c इक्वल टू 0, तब फिर क्या होगा, देन k की वैल्यू क्या होगी. इस रिजल्ट को भी आप समझ लीजिए कैसे क्या होगा. Look here, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then it means if it is, then you can take a plus b is equal to minus c. You can take. हम्म अब इसमें जैसे यहाँ पे ये दे रखा है, तो c अपॉन a plus b is also equal to constant k. So c upon a plus b की जगह माइनस c लिखेंगे इक्वल टू के, तो ये कैंसिल होके 1 आ जाएगा. क्या हो गया, के इज इक्वल टू -b. तो अब क्या हो गया, अगर आपका दो रिजल्ट, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then remember a will be equal to 1/2 for this. यानी a upon b plus c equal to b upon c plus a equal to c upon a plus b, and if a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, then learn this result, k will be equal to 1/2. And if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then k will be equal to -1. These are two results. एक रेडीमेड रिजल्ट दिमाग में रखिए, काम आएगा कभी. Diamond falls down and breaks into three pieces whose weights are in a ratio 1:3:6. If the value of diamond is proportional to the square of its weight and the original value of the diamond was rupee 30,000, then what is loss in the value due to the breakage? So here it is given the value of diamond is proportional to the square of its weight, means value is directly proportional to the square of weight. Okay. Look here, and the original diamond is broken into three pieces, 1:3 ratio. So if first weight is W1, second is W2, and third is W3, then the ratio is given 1:3:6. Okay. So from here you can say, suppose the first piece weight is 1K, and second piece weight is 3K, and third piece of diamond equal to 6K. It means the original diamond was of K plus 3K plus 6K, 10K. This is a this was a weight of original diamond. So look here, the value of original diamond as per this relation is given must be value, suppose constant into 10K square. Okay, and here value, the total value of these pieces will be equal to total value will equal to this 3K square, this K square, 9K square, means it is C K square, 9K square, and 36K square. This is equal to 36, 45, 46, 46K square. So here it is 100 CK square, and here it is only 46 CK square. So the loss is here 100 minus 46 CK square. Means it is 54 CK square. This is a loss. So now the matter is, what is the value of ck square? For this, it is given the original value of the diamond ball would be 30,000. It means this value V is given equal to 3,000. Correct? V is equal to 30,000. So here put 30,000, 100 ck square. This is equal to 300 rupees. So ck square constant equal to 300. So now the loss you can calculate by plugging the value of ck square, 54 into 300. It is 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 1 16. So this is a loss. This is your answer. A garrison of 1,545 men, 1,545 men having food for 30 days is besieged. After 11 days, a reinforcement of 412 men arrives. How long will the garrison be able to hold out? So here, formula M1, D1, W2, M2, D2, W1 will play a very important role. So look here, garrison of 1,545 men having food for 30 days. It means for 30 days they can survive. But here the question is about after 11 days, a reinforcement of 412 men arrives. It means after 11 days, if there is no change, if there is no change, then 1,545 men means M1. This strength is, it is 1 4, sorry, it is 1,545. 1,545 men can survive for after 11 days means 30 minus 11 days. Initially it was for 30 days. After 11 days means in 11 days they have consumed some amount of provisions. So the left is for 30 minus 11 days. And here W1 you will take about the rest of the food. Means rest of provision or rest of food, rest food. And M2 will be 1,545 plus arrival of 412 men. So it is 5 to 7, 415 and 9. 1,957 men. And D2 is to find out, and W2 is for the same provision, means the same remaining provision, remaining food. So now simply put values in a formula. M1 is 1,545 men. D1 is 30 minus 11 is 19 days. And W2 is remaining food. W1, sorry, this it is a W2 and here M2. Now M2 is 1,957 men into D2, which is to be find out, and W1 is it for same remaining. So this and this cancel, and here M and M cancel, and now it is 19, 1 is 19, 19, 1 is 19, 0, 9, 57, and this 15. So D2 is 15 days. With a new strength, provision will end in next 15 days. Now, 12 men or 18 women can reap a field in 14 days. How many days will 8 men and 16 women can take a reap? So here M1 is 12 men or 18 women. D1 is 14 days, and work is same in both conditions. 12 men or 18 women can read. So here the women take a read. So W1 if I take 1, and M2 will be here 8M, and so plus हो जाएगा 16 women. D2 is to find out, and W work is same, so W1 is 1, then W2 is also 1. So now I put in a formula. Either you will take 12 men or 18 women. So suppose I take 12 men. Uh, D1 is 14 days and 14D. Always write this M and D. It will help you. Further, you can understand this, how this is going to help you. So keep in a habit to write it always, that 14 men and for 12 men, sorry. 12 men, 14D, W2 is same. And now 8 men plus 16 women, D2 into W1. Okay. Look here, 12 men or 18 women, it suggests that 12 men is equal to 18 women. So 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja means 2 men is equal to 3 men. So 1 man is equal to 3 by 2. So this conversion will help you here, because here M plus W. So 12M, 1M is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 W, 14D, and here 8M. So conversion required, and this is 16W, and W take common. So this W will cancel out. This is 2 4 ja. 4 3 ja 12 plus 16 28 D2, and here 2 6 ja 6 into 3 means into 40T. So this 40 2 ja 2 3 ja 3 3 9 days. Answer is 9 days. Okay. So these questions are based on a formula M1 D1 W2 is equal to M2 D2 W1, which you have studied in our concept class. If the wages of 5 men for 12 days be rupee 60,000, what would be the wages of 6 men for 20 days? Look this question. 5 men for 12 days. Wages required 60,000. It means 60 men's day is equal to 60,000. So this is equal to 1,000. Means one man's day is equal to 1,000 rupees. Okay. And now the question is, what would be the wages of 6 men for 20 days? Is 6 men for the 20 days require, which is required. So, 6 into 20 is 120 men's day. And one men's day is equal to 1,000. So 120 into 1,000 rupees, this is going to 1,20,000. Okay. What the idea? Question is 5 men working for 12 days. Then total wage is 60,000 rupees. So 5 into 12 means 60 men's day के लिए आपको 60,000 रुपीज का वेज रिक्वायर्ड है. तो 1 मैन डे क्या हो जाएगा? 60,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 60 is 1,000 rupees. So now the question is 6 men for 20 days वर्क कर रहे हैं तो उनकी वेज क्या होगी? So 6 into 20 is 120 men's day, and one man day is equal to 1000. So 120 into 1000 is 120,000 rupees wages required. Okay, this is the one way is this. And second, you see, as I said, the formula M1 is 5, D1 is 12 days. And for them, W1 you can take as a total wage, 60,000 rupees. M2 in second case 6 men, and D2 20 days, and W2 is required. So here the formula is M. Now put in a formula. M1 is 5M, D1 is 12D, W2 is to find out. M1 is 6M into 20D into W1 is 60,000. So this M, D cancel. 6 to 12, 5 to 10, 20. W2 is 1,20,000 rupees. So this formula is very important formula. Do practice for this formula, and definitely it is going to be beneficial for you. Now see this question. If 70 men take 1 hectare, 5,000 square meter. So the work is 1 hectare, 500 square meter. In 5 days, how many men will dig 2 and 1 by 4 hectares in 25 days? So M1 is 70 men. D1 is W1 is 1 hectare, 500 square meter. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter plus 500 square meter. You will take 10,500 square meter. M2 is how many men? Find out. And D2 is 25 days. W2 is 9 by 4 hectare means into 10,000 square meter. So now same formula. M1 is 70 men. D1 is 5 days. W2 is 9 by 4 into 10,000 square meter is equal to M2, which to be find out here, and M2 into D2 25 days into W1 is 10500 square meters. So D and D cancel, and here this is simple. It is 35, and then 5 7 ja, and it is 5 ja, and 7 1500, 57 ja 105, so it is 1500 square meter, and now it is 2, and 15 into 2. So here M2 is 2 से सभी कैंसिल करके छोटा कर लेंगे 5000 is double zero cancel. Only calculation is left here. So M2 is 9 into 500 over 5 into 15, 5 into 15, और ये M था तो ये M रहेगा, रेस्ट सब कुछ कैंसिल हो चुका है. So now 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 500, 5, 20, 23 ja, 69 answer. It's a very simple question based on M1, D1, W2, M2, D2, W1. Okay, simple question just for uh, making you friendly with the formula M1, D1, W2 is equal to M2, D2, W1. Okay.